Hi everyone! Using visual cues is one of the best ways to stay organized, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to edit your tag colors within the ClickUp Calendar view. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use color-coded labels to identify priorities and categories at a single glance. Step 1. Accessing the calendar layout. To get started, open your ClickUp workspace and navigate to the Calendar view from your sidebar or the top view menu. This layout displays your tasks by date, giving you a clear visual timeline of your work. Once the calendar is open, simply locate the specific task whose tag you want to modify. Step 2. Opening the task details. Next, you'll need to access the task's individual settings. To do this, double-click the taskbar directly on your calendar. This action will pull up the task detail pane, which houses all the specific information and labels for that item. Step 3. Customizing the tag color. Within the detail pane, find the Tags section where all current labels are listed. To change the color, click the three-dot icon located right next to the tag. This opens a color palette where you can select any color, such as purple or blue, to differentiate it from other tasks. The change applies instantly, so you can see the results right away. Step 4. Consistency and verification. For the best results, repeat this process for your other tags to build a consistent color scheme across your entire workspace. Team standardization is key here. Agreeing on a specific color palette helps all members interpret tags uniformly. Once you've finished, close the task window. You will now see those updated tag colors visible on every taskbar in your calendar, providing immediate visual cues for your schedule. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.